When Tom moved into the role of president at Freedom Packaging, the company had the Sage 100 accounting system but did not yet have a CRM. Freedom Packaging supplies manufacturers with customized packaging, unique to each of their clients' product lines. It's a very competitive industry, as most customers source their packaging needs from multiple vendors, making it critical that Freedom manage these relationships properly. For the company to grow, Tom knew that he would need to deploy an integrated CRM system, and he elected to deploy Salesforce and the Nagumo Salesforce to Sage 100 integration to give his sales team and customer service staff the very best visibility into account purchase history. Leveraging Nagumo, Salesforce users have easy access to key statistics related to accounting data, including sales history by account, even down to the individual inventory items and the number of days it's been since an account has purchased an item. For example, we can see that it's been 80 days since account Alpha Corp purchased item C. This level of detail gives Freedom Salesforce users valuable information which they can then share with the customer. The key indicators the Nagumo provides allows them to see trends and identify possible issues. The Nagumo integration provides Salesforce users with easy-to-digest information, which can also help their accounts make better buying decisions. We couldn't do this without the Nagumo integration.